A few days ago, I made pineapple fried rice for the first time, and you should too. Oil goes in, some cashews that I soaked for a little bit. People said soaking nuts before frying will prevent it from burning, and I think it's true. Some garlics and onion goes in because those are the two things that's a must for any fried rice. Protein goes in. I use chicken in this case, and you don't have to cook it through. Some veggies go in there. Anything that you have left over in the fridge works. I put some summer sausage in there too, so that works really well. Eggs, rice. You want to break up the rice a little bit because you've had it in the fridge for a while and it's cold, but it should come apart like this. After that, you want to put some curry powder and stir fry for a little bit before you add your pineapple. Your pineapple should be cut a little smaller than that because these are too chunky. Salt and pepper and soy sauce, that should be enough for seasoning really. You stir fry it and toss it for a little bit, and the cashews you'll set aside earlier, and then you are done in time to plate and eat. You can put some cilantro on top too, but make it prettier than I did. And you're ready to eat now.